as every business is a solution for a problem that someone is not able to solve by himself, or he doesn't want to solve it by himself. So if you're offering someone a solution to a problem that he has, it doesn't matter if the solution that you offer looks perfect. They need to trust you. So the content that you have, the way how you present yourself or how you present a solution should basically be creating enough trust to trust you. It's like when you go to a doctor, the doctor has to look like a doctor. He has to look like someone who is trustworthy to solve my problem. And if he doesn't look trustworthy, you would be afraid to let him solve your problem. So I believe that you need to create the content not to win a prize for the best artistic content that you create, but to create enough trust so you can convert people into your partner, employees, or customer.